I'm Mahendra Kumar Vanka, Chairman of Mahavir Hospital and Research Center. We started this hospital somewhere back in 1977, and thereafter we have been doing good work to the society as usual. And we started with general general surgeries and general, but now thereafter we have added many departments. And over a period, we keep on adding departments such as kidney transplantation, then gynecology, then we have heart cardiology, then we have cancer department, then we have dentistry, and many more departments we keep on adding. Now that this hospital has become old, we have really modernized with all the latest equipments as are available in the corporate at a very affordable cost, so that we can serve the marginal. Our main aim is to serve the marginalized people who have come to Mahavir Hospital and the downtrodden society of the Telangana. We are dil se committed to see that we serve the society. Right.